The true annual cost of home ownership is 2 to 4% of your home's value beyond the mortgage. On a $400,000 home, that is $8,000 to $16,000 per year in costs most buyers do not anticipate. The 1% rule says budget 1% of your home's value annually for maintenance. That means $4,000 per year for a $400,000 home. And major repairs like a roof or HVAC system can cost $10,000 to $20,000 in a single hit. Property taxes average 1.1% of home value nationally, but can exceed 2% in states like New Jersey and Illinois. Homeowner insurance has surged 30% since 2022 due to climate risks. Your down payment could be invested instead. A $80,000 down payment invested in the S&P 500 at 10% returns would grow to over $200,000 in 10 years. That is the true hidden cost of tying up capital in a house. If you plan to stay for 7 or more years, have stable income, and can afford all the hidden costs while still investing, buying can build significant wealth. Just go in with your eyes open. Are you team rent or team buy? Share your perspective in the comments. Subscribe for more honest money content.